is it, guys. The wheels are finally in. The Jetta will get its new shoes on today. Full set of rotor grids, 17x8, 35 offset, 5x100 bolt pattern. Well, why did I get new wheels? Because of all the traction loss I get from the turbo. I mean, when the boost hits, the torque steer is just redonkulous. Not even kidding. The car gets very hard to control. It's just crazy. Ooh, look at that. This is the hyper black finish. The center bore size for these wheels is 73mm. Volkswagen uses a 57.1mm. So I got these hub-centric rings that will adapt the wheels to the center bore. Also went ahead and picked these up. These are security lugs, so I don't get my shit jacked. Links for these will be in the description. Now for the tires, I will be using TOYO Proxes R888R. These were recommended to me by a friend who drives a 300 horsepower supercharged Civic, and he says these grip really well on the roads, no wheel spin, so that's what I'm looking for. Here are the dimensions for the tires. I didn't want to go too big on these. My old tire setup was a 215/40. These are 235/40s, which I think is a good size. It's not too fat and it's not too skinny. Because the car is front wheel drive, I only got 2. So for the back, I got different tires. Just a pair of Nixon tires, all season, 225/45. Okay, enough of this tire talk. Let's get these things mounted and balanced, and we'll see how it looks on the GLI. Tires are on. Weather is nice and sunny. Let's see how sticky these tires are. God damn! This thing pulls like crazy. Honestly, I have never felt the car pull that hard ever since I got the turbo on. No joke. And it just grips and pulls all the way to red line. No kidding. Surprisingly, there's barely any torque steer. Car just pulls and pulls me into the seat. Let's try do another quick pull over here. pretty much all I got for you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I will definitely bring this car out to Mexico to do a couple pulls with some other cars and see how much of a difference the tires would make. All right, peace.